Jai Hind, dear student, this is Umesh Kuniyal, Center Head from Sandeep sir, Doon Defense Academy. I am here some information about the foundation course, Pratham Pak course 4. As you know that admissions are open for the year 2026 and 27 from class 6 to 12. This is the best foundation course in India with fully residential for the boys and girls. Complete information you will find on Doon Defense Academy website www.Doon Defense Academy. Here I am sharing some information with you. This particular course, this is the integrated program from class 6 to 12 with the CBSE pattern with the complete preparations of, as you can see here, Merchant Navy, NEET, JEE, NDA, dual courses for the NDA and JEE, and you will find here the preparation of commercial pilot license and CA. Dear students, you will see how the facilities are given in this particular course. Well-designed Trishakti campus is available for this particular course. Here you will find the very limited seats are there, only 160 seats are there, and there will be no dummy schooling. In particular course, you will find the complete hostel facilities for the boys and girls, and you will find here the mess and canteen facilities are there, physical and sports facilities are there. Inside the campus only, you will have a swimming pool, you will have a badminton and basketball court, you will have a cricket pitch, and all the indoor games facilities are there. Here the opportunity for the students to become a quality citizen. Basically, with this schooling, the complete preparation of all the job-oriented training and guidance. Dear student, this is the unique combinations of entirely based on RIMC pattern. Dear student, you can see here, this is the campus, this is the Trishakti campus, where this course will be conducted from class 6 to 12, where the student will get the complete guidance preparations of the particular courses, as I already mentioned, with the schooling. Dear student, as I told you, all the combinations are there. This is the building strong foundation for the bright future for the students. Admission open, complete information you go through the Doon Defense Academy website. And this is, you can see here, this is our latest selections in course 1. This time course 2 and 3 have been running well. The students have been doing well. In course 1, Doon Defense Academy given numbers of selection in NDA and Merchant Navy. Presently, students have been doing their training in National Defense Academy and in different marine institutions with after getting the company sponsorship by the world-class shipping companies, they have been doing the complete marine training in IME affiliated colleges. Dear student, if you are looking forward to join this particular course at Sandeep sir Doon Defense Academy, go through the complete information on the website and feel free to contact at Sandeep sir Doon Defense Academy for any further informations. All the best and take care.
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.